The fourth session in the series begins with a prayer for gratitude, for fellowship, and the joy of being God's house where He manifests Himself. We focus on spiritual maturity, understanding the life of God, and the role of the Holy Spirit in revealing deeper knowledge of God. Key themes include the importance of discernment, exercising spiritual faculties, and the transformative power of God's grace. We explore whether grace is an attribute of God or His very essence. Encouragements include rejoicing in the intimate awareness of oneness with God, seeking deeper knowledge and understanding, and recognizing the evidence of God's grace in our lives. We conclude with a call to reflect on personal experiences of God's grace and to see His hand in all aspects of life, fostering our maturity in faith.